Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 55. You already know subjects and verbs must agree in number, but a few subjects are tricky. They look plural and act singular, or they hide a whole group inside one word. Let's tame these special subjects. First, collective nouns. A collective noun names a group with one word: team, jury, class, family. Here's the twist. It takes a singular verb when the group acts as one unit. The team wins all together, so wins is singular. But it takes a plural verb when the members act as individuals. The team argue, each one with a different opinion, so argue is plural. Same word, two verbs. How do you know which way to go? Try replacing the group with a pronoun. If it feels like it, one thing, use a singular verb. If it feels like they, many people, use a plural verb. A clue lives in the sentence too. If the group owns something with it's one unit, singular. If it owns something with their, the members are individuals, plural. Next, the surprising one. An amount of money, time, or measurement takes a singular verb when it names one single unit. This trips people up. $2 is enough. $2 sounds plural, but here it's one price, one amount. So we say is, not are. 5 years is a long time. That's one span, one stretch. So again, is. When the amount is one lump sum or one span, treat it as singular, even though it ends in S. Now, two short lists worth memorizing. Some nouns end in S, but name one thing, so they take a singular verb. News, mathematics, measles. The news is good. They look plural, but they're singular. A title of a work, like the novel Little Women, is singular too, even with a plural word inside it. Then the flip side. A few words name one object, yet take a plural verb. Scissors, pants, glasses. The scissors are sharp. Here's your game plan for any special subject. First, is it a group word? If so, ask whether they act as one unit, singular, or as individuals, plural. Second, is it an amount that names one single unit of money or time? Then it's singular. Third, is it one of those tricky S words? If so, check your list. News and mathematics are singular. Scissors and pants are plural. The big rule underneath it all: meaning beats appearance. Let's try a few. In this first set, each verb already agrees with its subject. Your job is to decide whether that subject is singular or plural in meaning. Listen for clues like it's, their, or each. Pause and try each one before I answer. The jury has reached its decision. The jury is a group word, so look for a clue. There it is. Its decision. One verdict, one voice. The jury is acting as a single unit, so the answer is singular. 10 days pass before the parade. Now, an amount of time can be singular when it's one span, but here the days go by one at a time, counted separately, ticking off toward the parade. They're separate units, so the answer is plural. The news excites the whole town. The word news ends in S, so your eye says plural. But news is one of those special words. It names a single thing, and it always takes a singular verb. So the answer is singular. Now choose the verb that agrees with each special subject. Decide first what kind of subject it is: a group, an amount, or a tricky S word. Then pick the matching verb. Pause and try each one. A network team blank the news each day. Team is a group word. Is it one unit or many individuals here? They work together as one crew to gather the news. That's one unit, so we want the singular verb, gathers. So the answer is gathers. $3 blank a fair price. $3 sounds plural, but stop and ask what it means here. It's one price, one single sum of money. That's a single unit, so it takes the singular verb. So the answer is. These scissors blank sharp. Scissors names a single object, so you might reach for is. But scissors is one of those words that always takes a plural verb, like pants and glasses. So the answer is are. Let's wrap up. Special subjects reward you for thinking about meaning, not just looks. A collective noun is singular when the group acts as one unit, and plural when its members act individually. An amount of money or time that names a single unit takes a singular verb, so $2 is enough. And memorize the tricky S words. News and mathematics are singular, while scissors and pants are plural. Whenever a subject looks odd, ask what it really means. Great work.